The tips which I'm going to share with you in this video have already helped thousands of engineers to find jobs in oil and gas industry. Well, my name is engineer Wakas Ahmed and I joined oil and gas industry 15 years ago in Abu Dhabi offshore projects. In today's video, the tips and tricks all based on my real industry experience. I know that every other engineer right after engineering graduation or mid-career level engineer spending low salary job career like 2 years in the field, 3 years, they wish to find jobs in oil and gas industry. You know why? High salary in oil and gas industry, high tech jobs in oil and gas industry, and international tours and high learning. So these are the fascinating things which are going to push every other engineer to find job in oil and gas industry. I want all of you people to write in the comment section area what is fascinating factor for you people to join oil and gas sector. Well, moving ahead and guiding you people through all those tips and tricks, the number one thing I just make clear about one thing, that oil and gas industry is not only for petroleum engineers, it's not only for mechanical engineer, it is also for chemical engineers, electrical engineers, industrial engineers and civil engineers, and btech full engineers and diploma holders are also equally eligible to join this industry. Now let's talk about the thing that how you can make your way toward the oil and gas industry. Let me share with you one story that when I joined oil and gas industry, before than that, I had 6 job interview failures. In all those job interviews, they have been asking me that how much you know about oil and gas industry, right? So I had no answer. After that, I started working on this thing. I took information that what kind of skills I should add in my profile, in my resume, so that I can make match up with the company requirement. And then I started learning about oil and gas field, rigs, oil field industry, upstream, downstream, midstream, their standards, basic knowledge. Oil and gas industries are going to more rely on your passion than your experience when you are going to start your career. And the second thing, the second opportunity which you are going to get through your skills, your networking is going to play a very important role. So here I'm going to share with you a dashboard and I will suggest you to learn this skill if you want to make your way toward oil and gas industry. This skill is called project planning, scheduling and reporting. And right now this is complete oil and gas project. You can see right on the top, construction works, preliminary construction works, wellhead flow lines. All these things are oil and gas upstream industry. When they are going to drill the well, that is well oil producing well heads, right? And civil structure, civil engineers can work their equipment installation. There are different kind of equipments like tanks, like heat exchangers, like and many things. Then piping, right? You need a flowing medium like piping, electrical work, instrumentation, telecom, cathodic protection, which is used for the piping and all that, right? So this is a deliverable unit level. And by why I'm showing this slide with you people, because civil work is there, electrical work is there, mechanical, telecom. So if you want to be part of oil and gas industry, just pay your attention that you have to grow yourself in those skills which are going to concern about the management of civil works, management of mechanical works, electrical works, piping and telecommunication. You have to learn these skills. These are most demanded skills in the oil and gas industry, because oil and gas industry is very risky industry. They want to make sure about every single task, about the timeline that single task is going to complete, and then the cost, requirement of the resources, requirement of the material. These all things call project management, right? And in other words, we call it project planning and scheduling. And see, this is one platform where we need to carry out these works and all that, and their requirement of the duration. Then this is actually a tracking sheet actually, right? So duration is allocated there. And meanwhile you can see civil equipment, piping, electrical, instrumentation, telecom, cathodic. And you can see like there are 4 to 5 packages, and it has been separated by these red color bars. So the complete project has been separated. Now I am sharing this with you people that somehow you will be part of oil and gas industry. Somewhere you will be working as a maintenance guy, design engineer guy, site engineer guy, right? But on the other hand, if you are going to get this skill, because in other job roles you will get those job roles by some reference, by your luck. But what I'm going to guide you, if you are going to learn project planning control, your growth curve gonna be more steep, gonna be more growing one, right? More salary growth. And this is also white collar job. If you are going to work as a maintenance guy, might be possible you are gonna spend all day under sun there in the field. But if you are going to understand Primavera P6, how to document your complete work, like you are going to watch right now on the screen, like civil works, equipment, piping, and how to manage their timelines, right? See, so all these work packages. Then further on the piping, like how you have to manage flow lines, means like piping which is going to take that fluid from wellhead to the nearest production unit, so that is called flow lines. And then again civil mechanical piping, and then again you can see the bigger pipeline which is going to export that oil export pipeline, rig passage. Then there is a specific region name, wadi crossing, livestock passage, that is also the region, because these mostly projects are happening in offshore or onshore in desert area, right? Flow line crossings, block wall station 2, telecom repeater tower, then oil pipeline 456 meter, and this 8-inch dia, and then the other facilities. And you can see, so this is a complete project. Now by showing these slides, like how work is being managed, if you are going to grow your skill as a planning engineer, Primavera P6, understanding project management, time management, cost management, resource management, risk management, how to prepare reporting, cash flows, this is something really valuable asset which every company is looking for. Planning engineers are not though many available in the market. If you want start learning this skill set, there is a link, you can click that link and start learning Primavera P6 and methodologies from today. And it will be like after 2 months you will be like, oh, why I was so much unaware about this single skill. Because project management is everything. First of all, it is going to interlink like civil works with electrical, with mechanical, with piping and all that on a single document, to which we call PMIS, Primavera P6 tool. And you have to start it. If you are a fresher, this is a gold mine for you. If you are mid-career level engineer, you must be passionate to join oil and gas industry. If you are waiting, just like random guys going to email you, oh, we have an interview for you. No, 10,000 engineers are waiting for that. You have to show them that you are eligible before they are going to see towards you. The next question, how much eligible you are, how much deserving you are. They are going to evaluate your resume. Online systems are going to shortlist resume on the basis of your existing skills. This is really fantastic and demanding skill set which is globally required in Europe, in America, in Gulf region. That's all. I would share with you the link in my video description, many valuable resources there. Just visit video details and write in the comment section area that what kind of engineering discipline you have, so my team can approach you and provide you more valuable resources as per your engineering discipline. See you in my next video.